I'm DaveWeLike, checking out the Proscan Roku TV. It's a 24-inch model. One thing that's a little confusing is up here. It says 2K, sharp high definition picture quality for enhanced clarity and detail. I don't think this TV has 2K because on the side here, it says that it's 720p. But anyway, it talks about automatic software updates, the streaming stuff that you love, the Roku mobile app, how quick and easy it is to begin your journey. And it does include Dolby Audio. Of course, they talk about the Roku mobile app and the no-nonsense remote. It works with Apple AirPlay, Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Home. So on the side here, the specifics, you've got the aspect ratio 16:9, resolution 720p, response time's 11.5 milliseconds, refresh rate is 60 hertz, viewing angle's 178 degrees. Okay, and it's got the tuner, all that stuff. So let's just go ahead and open it up, shall we? So we've got our quick start guide here. Our Roku remote is no voice, of course, but it does include Netflix, Apple TV Plus, Paramount Plus, and HBO Max, which is now called Max. On the back, we've got our reset, our headphone jack, HDMI 1, 2, and 3 is ARC, as well as the antenna or cable, optical, USB 2.0. Very bottom, looks like we've got our composite cables, red, white, and yellow. And then in the foam are our feet. All right, so let's get started. US, set up for home use. And it's gonna look for our Wi-Fi. Connect to that. It's connected very quickly. And it's looking for our software update. Going nice and quick. Next step is to enter our email address with our Roku account. Now we're gonna activate the email and our account. So which device? We've got the Proscan right here. Which location? I'm just gonna say the backyard, why not? We can click on continue. And do you pay for cable? I'm just gonna hit continue on all of these, continue. Skipping through all these offers. Setup is complete. And now the Roku TV is just adding all my channels that I have on my account. All right, let's connect our devices. So everything is plugged in. We're gonna do this later. This is all in regards to our HDMI, you know, if we've got cable boxes or whatever plugged on in.
Let's get you streaming. Get to know your new Roku TV in about a minute. We'll start with your remote. Press home at any time to return.
So a quick intro video of what our Roku TV can do. And this is what it all looks like. So pretty simple and straightforward to begin our streaming journey. And we've got our recommended row right here of some live TV channels if we wanted to watch that. This is our apps and inputs. So we've got our HDMI right here. If we click on the star button on our remote, we can say move, rename, remove input. So we can rename the input to, you know, a very easy Blu-ray player, DVD player, DVR. They're very easy pictures to understand what's going on. So it doesn't just look like an HDMI input. And then of course there's live TV. Live TV will tell us, I think we have over 350 channels that we can watch live. A lot of local channels, music channels, entertainment channels, quickly loading. And these are the genres. So it's nice to see that they're all kind of here. Looks good. If we turn it down, you know, it loads quickly, which is like cable or antenna TV. Very good to see. If we click on the star button as well, now we get our TV settings. So there's a sleep timer setting as well as the picture settings. So we can see TV brightness is set to brighter at the moment. You can set it to darker, dark, normal, bright, brighter. And then there's the picture mode, low power, or you could just set it to auto, which is recommended. Then there's standard, vivid, sports, movie, and auto again. You can also customize the picture. So backlight, brightness, contrast, sharpness, color, tint. The picture size is auto. Then you actually have expert settings if you want to get into the more nitty gritty of things. So you can do the contrast to high, to off, whatever you'd like. dynamic contrast as well, and color temperature, and the auto setting. Going back, now we can manage our channels on our live TV, see what our favorite ones are, edit the lineup, remove channels if we don't want to see them, accessibility, and then there's the picture off. Then there's search as well. So search, we can't do it with our voice because we don't have the voice remote, but you could do voice with the Roku mobile app on Android or iPhone. That's free to download, or you could always upgrade, I guess, your Roku remote to a voice remote if you wanted to as well. But you can just type in whatever show you want and it'll start appearing here. Show, movie, actor, all that sort of stuff. It'll also show you some apps. Nice and visual. What to watch, just some recommended shows and movies coming on out. There's our save list. So as we see something that we do want to watch, you just hit the star button and then you can add it to the list, and it'll add it right on up here to let you know if there's, any updates to it, some new episodes, or, just save it for later. So then there's featured free, which again, just more recommended content that's all free for you to enjoy. Some of that previous content on what to watch is not free. Then there's sports. So this is always fun. If you like NFL, might as well watch some football stuff going on right now. You like pickleball, go for this channel over here. Or you like NBA, go to the NBA zone and you can see some highlights, see your favorite teams, and add them to your list so you can keep track of them all. Easy to do. Streaming store allows us to find all the apps, the movies, TV shows, or games that we want to buy and install on our home screen. And then of course there are settings. So settings, here's our network information, our remotes and devices if we want to add a new remote, or add it speakers as well. We could add in sound bars, wireless speakers, all that stuff right here. And then you can do the theme and change around the theme to your favorite, wallpaper. Then there's accessibility and TV picture settings again, and TV inputs, and the audio as well, parental controls, guest mode, home screen. So you can turn things off or on if you don't want to see them. Anyway, let's just check some of those viewing angles. So of course the TV will look better straight on than, off to the sides, but still looks pretty good. Here's a quick audio test. I hope you enjoyed this Proscan Roku TV video. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section below, as well as smack the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Roku videos coming soon.